its season on the line, Tenorio admitted taking matter into his own hands and helped Barangay Ginebra stay alive in the PBA Governors Cup semifinals. The veteran guard scored the Kings' final 4 points inside the last 14 seconds to clinch a thrilling 107-103 win over Magnolia Pambansang Manok in Game 3 Wednesday night at the Smart Araneta Coliseum. Tenorio had 11 of his total 14 points in the final quarter, including a floater that broke the game's final deadlock and give the reigning champions the lead, 105-103. He added 2 free throws with 6 seconds left to clinch the hard-earned win and cut the Hotshots series lead at 1-2. Tenorio said the go-ahead basket was an opportunity given to him on that particular possession, which coach Tim Cohn specifically designed for him to take. "Might as well take it," he said. "Everyone was expecting Justine, Brownlee, to get the ball on that particular possession. But we have nothing to lose," added Tenorio. "I was really thinking of be aggressive and see what happens." The Ginebra playmaker, though, shot just 5 of 14 from the field and committed 3 turnovers, but he did have 5 rebounds and 5 assists. Until that fourth period explosion, Tenorio was actually 1 of 7 from the floor after 3 quarters. Struggling Ako the whole game. "I be young Pakarandam ko today," he said. "But it's not an excuse. It's a short-lived celebration for the Kings, however, as Tenorio said the team has to quickly put a victory behind them as there remains a bigger job to be accomplished." Inside the locker room after the game, "It's really like nothing," he said. "We move on right away and think about Friday's game." Game 4 of the best-of-5 semis is set Friday at the Eners Center in Antipolo.